Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hi, I'm Brittany. Welcome. So today we're filming a very exciting video. As you guys could see, my PR has definitely stacked up, so we're doing a PR unboxing. So if you guys want to see what I got, let's go ahead and get into it. Hello, future Brittany here, coming on here to introduce today's sponsor, Lilysilk. Lilysilk has everything you could imagine with silk. They also create zero waste. They take all the remaining fabric and make silk scrunchies, silk eye masks. They also work with TerraCycle, which is a world-known recycling company. They're also environmentally cautious, so they're actually sourced from mulberry trees, the silk is, and that requires less water than cotton to grow. They produce the products with natural fibers instead of synthetic. I'm actually wearing one of their silk blouses right now. You guys will see in the future video with past me, but I got my hair done and I like styled it today, so I wanted it to show you again and like wear it again. I'm wearing the same jewelry I had on in the video, but I like dressed it up with this white denim skirt and it looks so freaking cute. Like, this would be such a cute going out outfit. And so yeah, I wanted to show you guys that real quick. Also, their silk pillowcases are perfect for travel. They have like a little travel pouch on the inside. And then also the little cases that they come in are also perfect for travel. But like I said in the video, I'm gonna unbox everything and show you guys. So let's go ahead and go back to past Brittany. Let's first start off with Lilysilk. I actually already opened one of the packages, this one here on the bottom, because I'm actually wearing it. So I got this silk top right here from Lilysilk. Thanks to them for sponsoring this video, by the way. I got it in a medium. They did have other colors and I love the way it feels. It just feels so luxurious. It doesn't get you too hot or too cold because it controls the temperature and it just feels so nice. So let's open the rest of the packages. The next two things I got from them is their softest silk pillowcases, and I got like this really pretty white cream color. A lot of benefits to silk. There is no sleep wrinkles, so since this is a pillowcase, you get like sleep wrinkles from other pillowcases. This will help prevent that. It also helps retain moisture when you sleep. It also helps with frizz and hair breakage, so it's really good for your hair as well. And then for me, like I said, I get hot really easily, so it also controls temperature. But this is what the pillowcases look like. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I'm definitely gonna have to put these on my pillows and show you guys what they look like. But like I said, I just got like this creamy white. So pretty. So I got two of those and I got the queen size, I believe. I love their packaging, by the way. So luxurious feeling to open it. All right, let's see what's in this package. Look at that, so fancy. Okay, so here's my eye mask. I got it in black to match my shirt. Look at that. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna love this. So I got an eye mask. It's also gonna help with like wrinkles, I feel like. Okay, and then the next one, we got our hair scrunchies. I got these in black as well because my hair freaking turns everything pink. So let me show you what they look like. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Look at that. Everything's like matching. Okay, I got a lot of these, so I'm excited. And they have their little logo on there too, so cute. I'm gonna keep them in this little pouch, so hopefully I don't lose them. There is a lot of them though. And I will have all these products linked in my description. And I also believe they give me a discount code, so I'll have that in there as well. Okay, I went ahead and put my pillowcases on and look how pretty. It's definitely gonna go with my all white bedding perfectly. And they do use 100% natural materials. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to sleep with this tonight. All right, moving on to the next package. I see a benefit right here, so let's see what they sent over. Oh, they sent little minis. So we got a little mini bag right here, a little mini professional super setter, a waterproof bang mascara, a 24-hour brow setter. I think this is, yeah, this is a small one as well. And then a mini professional light primer. Oh, next up, I got this flash eyelash serum. So this is supposed to help your eyelashes grow long and thick. So we're gonna try her out and see if it works. Next, we got Pop Beauty. I'm all using my hair cutting scissors to open up packages. shows me what cosmetology school did for me. Okay, anyways. Ooh, there's like a baggie in here. So in here we got this Fizz Jelly Cleanser, a Supreme C Cream, so a moisturizer, a Peeling ZC Exfoliating Jelly, and a Extra Zing C Shot, so vitamin C. And that was everything. I'm just gonna put it all back in this little baggie. Next up we have Versed. Ooh, these are always so satisfying right here. These little peel tabs. If I could peel it. Oh, you guys like my nails, by the way? They remind me of like Hello Kitty colors. Had to get my tweezers, but got it. Or not. So they sent over their Moisture Maker Hydrating Hyaluronic Serum. So that is what it looks like. Next up, we got some Redken. Lightweight volume and airy texture. So we got their Dry Texture Finishing Spray. Ooh, I'm excited. I love me some texture. This one is so cute. It looks like a little book and it's from Glow Recipe. It's called Bedtime Stories, Village, and the Glow Fairies. And so look, it literally looks like a little book. And then you open it. So adorable. And then we got our product in the inside. And so this is their new Watermelon Glow AHA Night Treatment. So clinically effective glowing skin. Inspired by our bestsellers, Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask and the powerful yet gentle overnight AHA treatment. Ooh, exciting. I can't wait to try this. That's what it looks like. Let's see the actual package. Oh, it looks just like the Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask, but it's just a little different. Okay, we got more hair right here. This is from Collab and it's their Dry Shampoo Overnight Renew. Ooh. Look, there's a little sleeping mask in here too. Okay, so we got the Dry Shampoo Overnight Renew Overnight Detox Formula, and wait, they sent two. Ooh, this one's heavy. I think this one's hair as well. Yeah, so we got the Rhyme and Reason Restore Shampoo. I love the packaging. And then also the conditioner. And then we got some treatments in here too. So Smooth and Finishing Serum for frizzy hair, Damage Repair Serum for damaged hair, and then a leave-in conditioner as well. Interesting packaging on these. Next up, we got Caudalie, so more skincare. And they sent over their serum. Is this the one I have already? Firmer Skin Naturally. Yeah, I think I have this one. But let me show you what it looks like. Oh no, this one's different. This one's Lifting and Firming Serum. The other one I have is for like dark spots and brightening. So cool. We got some Colourpop. This feels really light. Is there anything in here? Oh yeah, these are their new eyeliners. So let me grab them out of here. These new liquid colored eyeliners. So there's a lot of different colors in there. Hopefully they're good and they don't crack. A lot of colored eyeliners crack. And then they also sent some rhinestones as well. Then we got a package from Elemis. Such a cute box. Oh, I've already started using the little wrist scrunchies for skin. So like they give me these little scrunchies that you put right here, and they're supposed to help the water not run through your arms while you're washing your face, which I think is so annoying, which is why I started using them right away, because I was actually wanting to buy some of those, and they sent it in this package and I was like, yes, gotta use it. But that's what was right here, and then they sent a little towel, and then also their Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm, and then also a mini one, and this one is in rose. So I cannot wait to start trying this cleansing balm on because I love using cleansing balms to remove my makeup. It just melts everything off really fast. Cute little towel. Next up we have Laura Mercier. So some makeup. They sent over their new Petal Soft lipstick crayons, and it looks like there's a lot of different colors in here. That is what they look like. And they're kind of like chubby sticks. They remind me of the Clinique ones, and they just have a lot of different colors. I opened that one on accident. So I can't wait to try these. They look pretty moisturizing too. So yeah, we got those. What is this box? Not sure what this brand is Kaja. So they sent over their Wink stamp kit. Interesting. That's what it looks like. Let's open it. Stamp, line, and repeat. I think I've tried this before. Looks like I have. It comes with a regular eyeliner and then the stamp part. Yeah, I've definitely tried this before. But this is what they look like. Colourpop, they sent 2 of the same boxes as you guys can see. So I'm guessing they're the same thing because they're both just as heavy. But in here, they sent their new hair products. I already opened this one because I was like excited because I was like, what is in here? It's so heavy. So they sent their, what are these called? Color tints? Hair tints. So we got a purple and a pink, which you guys know I'm gonna use the pink definitely, and a silver. And then also these little conditioners as well. So coloring conditioner, we got the silver, purple, and pink as well. I can't wait to try the pink. I'm gonna redo my hair soon as well, so I'm excited. I got little hair clips as well in the same exact colors. So cute, they're like rubber. Next up we got BoxyCharm. My cats are running around. In here we got the Glow Recipe Eye Cream, the avocado one. I've tried this, so I'm definitely gonna save this for a giveaway. And then we got the Aesthetica Starlight Highlighter. I'm gonna go through kind of fast on these just because I swatched them and stuff on my IG stories, so make sure you guys follow me on there. We got some really exciting stuff though, like this Natasha Denona palette. I didn't even know she came out with this. It's the Cupid 5 eyeshadow pan. This is what it looks like. It's like a neutral rosy palette, super pretty. And then we also got this Basie Beauty eyeliner, or no, it's a lip liner duo in Latte and Cocoa, and then also this little brow gel. We got some more Colourpop. Oh yeah, this is that one palette. So they came out with the Hue palette, which was like a rainbow palette, but it had like shimmers, and this one is all matte and it's so pretty. Let me show you guys. This is what it looks like right here. So cute. So excited to use that. Oh my gosh, and then for Ipsy, I got the glam bag, and there was so many good stuff in here too. We got a lot of the Alicia Keys skincare, which is called Keys, and it came with her luminous exfoliator, and then we got her moisturizer as well there, and then also a face roller thing. So facial roller, yeah, just fancy. I love using those and putting them in the fridge. And then we got some Bobbi Brown. We got an eyeshadow stick. Told you this box was good. The Too Faced lip injection extreme, also really good. And then we got a Lawless, the baby one palette, and this is like a rosy palette. Actually, it's more of like a neutral matte, super pretty, nice for fall. And then we got some Perricone MD, the Citrus Brightening Cleanser. And then also this, the Word Cool Steam Eye Mask. So you put this in the fridge as well. It's like a rubber one with little beads in it. And then also a regular eye mask too. But like I said, I'm gonna be using my silk one. We got this giant box from Profusion. I actually already did a video on this on my TikTok and Instagram. It's freaking huge. Can you guys tell what it is? But it's actually the Jurassic World collection. I was so excited to see this. Like I said, I already used a lot of it, so it's all open and everything. But it came with like a palette. Look at this palette, it's so pretty. I love the color in the middle. And it has like little dinosaurs imprinted on it. And then little feet, like these are glitters, and then this is the palette. I'm all holding it all weird. We got like eyelashes, we got the brushes, a mirror, like look at this mirror, it's so cute. What else? I didn't even try this kit yet, so cute. And then we got like these glitters, look how pretty. And lip kits. We got like a red, a green, and then a nude is the one I used on the video. We got like a little eyeliner palette. What else can I show you? There's so much stuff, like there's highlighters, like jelly highlighters, these like multi-chrome eyeshadow paint things. And then the makeup bag, like adorable. Another benefit package. I love this, so cute. It's like a little radio, cassette radio. And then in here we got some brow products. So we have the all-purpose sharpener and then 2 pencils and then the Give Me Brow. We got a box from Skin Proud. Ooh. And this is really pink. So we got this makeup remover pad thing. I love using these. And then just a lot of different skincare stuff. So a refreshener, hydrating face mist, and everything balm, multi-use skin balm, and a fruit smoothie exfoliator, and then a face cream. Next, it looks like we got some more stuff from Kaja. I love this brand, so I can't wait to try this stuff. We got a hydrating lip shine. Let's see the color. Oh, it's just clear. That's what it looks like. And then we got a bento box. This looks so cute. It's a eyeshadow trio. Oh, look at that. And these are the colors. How adorable. I think the one on top is like shimmery. Yeah, it is. Look at that. That's a pretty color too. And then the rest are matte. We also got a, what's it called? A blush, I think. Yeah, the cheeky stamp. I have some of these and they're really good. Ooh, but I don't have this color. Yeah, see, it's like a little stamp. So cute. I'm trying to see the color though. Ooh, it's like a pretty nude color. I can't wait to try that. We also got the lash trio. Oh, this comes with mascara, brow gel, and stuff. I already have this, so I'm gonna leave that in the box. And then this Whipped Dream multi-eye cheek color. Is that what it says? Yeah. Coral Shuffle. Or Coral Souffle. I can't read. Oh, I haven't tried this. This is what it looks like. Cute. Now we're moving on to this stack. We got some more Redken. Let's see. Lots of different hair products. We got an acidic, I don't know how to say that. Bonding concentrate, Salon Expert, 14% bonding care complex. Sounds fancy. Sounds like some Olaplex crap. And then we have this, oh, it says the same word. It's a leave-in treatment. And, ooh, shampoo. I'm using their shampoo now and I really like it. It's a different one though. This one is the same thing but in shampoo form. These seem like professional. I could smell them too, they smell good. And then also the conditioner as well. Oh, this was my first time getting a box from Kopari, so I already peeked inside. But they sent over some body stuff. They sent the Guava Ultra Restore Body Butter with hyaluronic acid. Ooh. My camera just randomly stopped recording. I think I'm running out of space, so I'm gonna try to hurry. But the Kopari also sent the body wash and then their body milk as well. And then I got a package from Lottie London with different products in here. They sent a brow pen, which I already took out. I can't wait to try that. And then looks like we have some lip glosses and some freckle tints, but these are metallic, so that's really interesting. And then we got some lip glosses and liquid blushes. And then we got another Redken package. This one has dry shampoo in it, a jumbo one. And then what else? We have this big box right here. Oh my god, it's really heavy. This is from Beauty Creations, I think. And so they sent over their bronzers, which I guess they sent a lot of different colors. Yeah, they sent all the colors, or it looks like all the colors, and a brush. So cute. Let's open this one. That's what they look like. And I guess there's a lot of different colors. So I can't wait to try these. Oh my god, it's so heavy. Okay, and that is everything, guys. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys want me to try out. And thanks again to Lilysilk for sponsoring this video. And I'll catch you guys next time. Bye!